In this video, we're going to review how to add new members into our Contact Manager area. There are two ways we can add members. We can manually add an individual member, or if we have several members that we want to add, we can upload a CSV or Excel file into the system. And now we're going to see how this works. Once you've logged into your Client Marketing Center, we're going to go ahead and select Contact Manager view. And in the Contact Manager area, to add new members, we go to Tasks, go to our drop-down menu, select Add a New Member, click Execute, and this is where we will add members individually. There are 3 fields that are required with an asterisk: first name, last name, and mobile. And I'm going to go ahead and add a new member. The mobile number needs to have the 1 in front of it, the area code. The other fields, if you have that information, it's optional as to whether you want to add it or not. When you're done adding information, you click Add Member. We now see our name, mobile number, and email address has been filled out for this member. If I had put in a screen name, that would be here on the right. I'm going to now show you how to add members in bulk. And you go again back to the Task drop-down menu, and you go to Upload Members.csv and click Execute. We're going to see a small box over here, and we would simply browse for the file that we want to upload, select it, and then click Upload. To see an example of what format that file should be, you can click See Example Format. And in a different window, you're going to get an example of how that CSV file should be formatted. You're going to have the phone number with the 1 in front of the area code, last name, first name, email address, and IM screen name, all next to each other with commas and no spaces. Once we've uploaded our files, we can see a list of names, and if need be, it would go into different pages so that it doesn't take up the whole screen. One thing we can do is, if we click on a particular name, we go back to Tasks, we can delete that member. We would select Delete and then click Execute if we want to do that. The other thing we can, if our list is very long and bulky, we can search for members by either their name, their mobile number, their email, or IM screen name. And you would simply put the information that you have, click Search, and I'm clicking for any names with Jane, and I do have 2, Jane Doe and Jane Smith, and those names would appear here. So those are some things you can do when you've added new members using the Tasks area and Find Members Where. This concludes the video on how to add members individually and in bulk. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.